side. We'll be circling the island so you'll be able to truly appreciate its magnificence. The story begins in the 1860s when a young immigrant named George Boldt
in the Thousand Islands, and he got busy turning it into a paradise for his wife.
That's so romantic. He had the shoreline shaped into a heart and commissioned a 6-story Rhineland-style castle with
apartments for guests.
Boldt spared no expense on the island. He planned to present this incredible monument of love to his wife Louise on Valentine's Day of 1904. But it wasn't to be. Shortly before the project was finished, Louise passed away. George was devastated. He ordered all construction to stop, and from that day forward, he never set foot on the island again. For many years after Louise's death, the castle stood abandoned, subject to the elements. Then, in 1977, the Thousand Islands Bridge Authority stepped in. Using blueprints, other drawings, and materials that had been left behind, a new labor of love began. Bit by bit, the castle, its surrounding buildings, and the grounds were completed and restored. A project that still continues today, bringing this architectural wonder back to life.
As the vessel circles the castle, look for a tall, round tower. This was meant to be an aviary for exotic birds. The stone building with the small arched bridge and the clock tower was to be the powerhouse. Then, on the far side of the island, you'll see the docks that today welcome visitors from around the world who have come to visit. Across from the docks,
Boldt, qui sera bientôt en vue. Nous ferons le tour de l'île pour que vous puissiez observer toute sa splendeur. L'histoire débute dans les années 1860, quand un jeune immigrant du nom de George Boldt arriva en bateau à New York. Il trouva du travail dans la cuisine d'un restaurant et grimpa rapidement de poste en poste. Avant longtemps, il était le propriétaire d'un des plus grands et plus beaux hôtels, le Waldorf Astoria.